Definition. According to British Standards Institution, method study is the systematic recording and critical examination or existing and proposed ways or doing work as a means or developing and applying easier and more effective methods and reducing cost. Method study scope lies in improving work methods through process and operation analysis, such as 1. Manufacturing operations and their sequence. 2. Workmen. 3. Materials, tools, and gauges. 4. Layout of physical facilities and workstation design. 5. Movement of men and material handling. 6. Work environment. Objectives of method study. 1. Improved layout and design of workplace. 2. Improved and efficient work procedures. 3. Effective utilization of men, machines, and materials. 4. Improved design or specification of the final product. The objectives of method study techniques are: 1. Present and analyze true facts concerning the situation. 2. To examine those facts critically. 3. To develop the best answer possible under given circumstances, based on critical examination of facts. Scope of method study. 1. To improve work methods and procedures. 2. To determine the best sequence of doing work. 3. To smoothen material flow with minimum of backtracking, and to improve layout. 4. To improve the working conditions and hence to improve labor efficiency. 5. To reduce monotony in the work. 6. To improve plant utilization and material utilization. 7. Elimination of waste and unproductive operations. 8. To reduce the manufacturing costs through reducing cycle time of operations. Steps or procedure involved in method study. The basic approach to method study consists of the following 8 steps. 1. Select the work to be studied and define its boundaries. 2. Record the relevant facts about the job by direct observation, and collect such additional data as may be needed from appropriate sources. 3. Examine the way the job is being performed and challenge its purpose, place sequence, and method of performance. 4. Develop the most practical, economic, and effective method, drawing on the contributions of those concerned. 5. Evaluate different alternatives to developing a new improved method, comparing the cost effectiveness of the selected new method with the current method of performance. 6. Define the new method, as a result, in a clear manner, and present it to those concerned, i.e., management, supervisors, and workers. 7. Install the new method as a standard practice, and train the persons involved in applying it. 8. Maintain the new method and introduce control procedures to prevent a drifting back to the previous method of work.